In this video, I will show how to add a row in Microsoft Word table. Like you have the table and you need a row. So what you will do, table layout, and here, like you need a row here. So rows and column. So here is the option insert rows above. Like I will show you, like we have the A, B, C and D. You need a row above A, so keep your cursor here and insert above. Similarly, you need to insert below, so click here and insert below. If you need a row in left, so click here, you have the new row and column and right. So this is the way you can add row column in Microsoft Word table. Thanks for watching.